Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my 100 days of challenge of SQL from beginner to advanced level. Today is our day 2 and today we are going to see that how to create a database and how to use it and how to create a table and how to insert the values into the table, and I will show you some data. So let's start. Before creating the tables, etc., anything, we have to create a database in SQL, like a folder, as I am creating a create a database school, and we have to select it and we have to run it. You can see here our query has run with successfully, and after that we have to write a query as use school. For it means that we are telling that use database school. For that we have to write a query as use school, and we have to select it and we have to run it. After that we have to write a query below that, as I am writing create table student data. If we want to create any table, we have to write this code, as we have to change only we have to change the student that I have written. And I want to create a columns, like I want to create columns in my table, like I want to create ID, name, city and phone number. So let's start creating. I will write your ID and I will write int primary key. It means integer primary key. We are telling that the ID is integer primary key. It is a unique value, and we are creating another column as name, and we have to write as varchar 50. It means it will store the 50 characters, and we have to create another column as city, and we have to write as varchar, and we have to create another column as number, and we have to store this all in the bracket, and we have to close the bracket, and we have to give the full stop. Full stop means this symbol colon, and we have to select our all the data and we have to run. Here we can see the successfully our code has been run. Now I want to apply some values in it. Before applying the values, we have to write a query, as I am writing here insert into student, and we have to write our columns in the bracket, as I'm writing here ID, name, city, number, and we have to close the bracket, and we have to write a query below that values, and we have to write our data in the bracket and we have to close it, as I am writing the data XYZ. After all this process, we have to select all our query and we have to run. Boom, you can see here successfully we can see here our data is ready. If we want to see our table, then we have to write a query as I'm writing here select star means all from student, and we have to select it and we have to run it. Oh my god, it is awesome. We can see here our table is ready with our data. Okay guys, cool. Now tomorrow we will see the further SQL part. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.